Alright, so look, I came to the place, I'm picking up the cats, I'm taking the babies. First time coming into a new home that I see here. Okay, babies. Hello, babies. It's okay, this is home. Hello, Bounce. Hello, Bojangles. Hello, little babies. Hello, Tuxedo Cat, sleep in your home. This is home. Go explore. Go explore things. Yeah. Come on, little babies. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Come on, Tuxedo Cat. It's okay, Bounce. This is your home now. This is your home. Okay? Here, you mommy. Okay, Bojangles, your home. Everything's okay now. Come on, scaredy cat. Oh, okay. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Yeah. Look, food. Look. Bojangles. It's okay, Bojangles. I think the babies are very happy. They seem very happy. They're lying down with me. They don't have to worry about the cold or mean people trying to hurt them. None of that. They're okay now. They're starting to learn their home. You're okay, sweeties. The babies are okay. Sweet babies. That's Bojangles' baby. This is Bounce. This is Bojangles.